Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to IslamicReading.com. We are currently reading the movements levels, and in today's class, we are going to study the fourth level movement, which are Maddah letters. We'll study what are the Maddah letters, what are their conditions, the rules of the pronunciation, difference between third and the fourth level pronunciation, and then we'll practice how to read the Maddah letters. My name is Hafiz Adnan, and you're watching Basic Tajweed Course with IslamicReading.com. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, do it now and click the bell icon so that you can be notified when the next lesson is available. Madda means long, and the Madda letters are long vowels, which means that their sound is going to be pronounced long. As we learned in the first lesson that there are three Madda letters, Alif, Ya and Waw. All the other letters are consonants. In the English, vowel letters A, E, I, O and U are used to connect the sounds of the other letters. In the Arabic, vowel letters perform the same function. They work as a bridge between two sounds. Though Maddah letters are supposed to be pronounced long, but not always, they have to fulfill a condition. Only then they will be pronounced long. The first Maddah letter, Alif, an Alif will be called Alif Maddah only when it has Fatha on the preceding letter. If it does not have Fatha on the preceding letter, it won't be called an Alif Maddah. Rather, it will be simply an Alif. The second Maddah letter, Ya. A Ya will only be called a Ya Maddah if it has Kasra on the preceding letter. If it does not have, it won't be Ya Maddah. And the third Maddah letter, Waw Maddah, is only called Waw Maddah if it has Dhamma on the preceding letter. If it does not have, then it won't be Waw Maddah, it will be simply a Waw letter. Length of the sound of Maddah letters is going to be long, around 1 to 2 seconds. And the direction of the sound is going to be to the position of the movement of the preceding letter. For example, because Alif Maddah has Fatha on the preceding letter, the direction of the Alif Maddah is up to the Fatha. With the Ya Maddah, the direction of the sound is going to be down because Ya Maddah has Kasra on the preceding letter. And the direction of the sound for Waw Maddah is going to be rounded long because it has Dhamma on the preceding letter. You may be thinking that the length of the sound of the third level movements is also long. So what's the difference? Let's see. Third level movements, which are called Tawila, are pronounced long, and the fourth level movements, the Maddah letters, are also pronounced long. So what's the difference? You may remember that I told you that in the Arabic, vowels are divided into vowel movements and vowel letters. The third level movements, Tawila movements, is a long vowel, purely because of a movement. Fatha Tawila, Kasra Tawila and Dhamma Tawila, they are movements. The fourth level, the Maddah letters, are also long vowels, but they are because of a letter. If this letter is not there, then the movement will be simply short, a basic sound of the movement. So the difference between third and the fourth level is that the third level is because of a movement and the fourth level is because of a letter. Though they are pronounced exactly same, but remember, in the writing, the one is because of the movement and the other is because of a letter. Let's now practice the Maddah letters. Length of the sound is going to be long and direction of the sound is going to be to the position of the movement of the preceding letter. Alif Maddah is written as an Alif with the Fatha on the preceding letter. Ya Maddah is written as a Ya with the Kasra on the preceding letter. And the Waw Maddah is written as a Waw with a Dhamma on the preceding letter. To pronounce Alif Maddah with the Qaf, the sound is going to be O. To pronounce a Ya Maddah with the Qaf, the sound is going to be Qi. And to pronounce a Waw Maddah with the Qaf, the sound is going to be U. To pronounce a ya with the alif madda, the sound is going to be ya. To pronounce it with the ya madda, the sound is going to be ye. And to pronounce it with the waw madda, the sound is going to be you. You see, Maddah letters are pronounced exactly like Tawila movements, but they are written differently. To practice Maddah letters, these are the pages. You can find the download link in the description. Practice first with the individual letters and then practice them within the words. If you have any confusion or question, comment below the video. Let's see that Holy Quran movements table now. You can see that after reading 4 levels, now we can compare the positions and the names of the 3 movements level and the Maddah letters. In the next class, we will study about Leen letters or diphthong sounds. To learn the Holy Quran with us, you can sign up a course on our website. The link is in the description. Until next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.